In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a label in Microsoft Outlook. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook and go to the item you want to label. This can be either an email in your inbox or a calendar event. Once you find the item you want to tag, click on it so Outlook knows which one you are working with. Next, go to the top ribbon menu and click Categorize. If you prefer, you can also right-click the email or calendar event and choose Categorize from the drop-down menu. From there, select All Categories. This opens the category management window where you can view existing labels and create new ones. When the small window appears, choose New Category. This is where you will create the label you want to use. Type in your preferred label name. Make sure the name is something clear and easy to recognize, especially if you plan to use it often. After that, pick a color for the category. Choosing different colors for different types of items can make your Outlook view much easier to scan at a glance. Once you've entered the name and selected the color, click OK to save the new category. Back in the Categories window, find the category you just created and check the box next to it. Then click OK again to apply that label to your selected email or calendar event. After that, you should immediately see the color label appear on the item. That's how you know the category has been successfully applied. From now on, that item will be easier to identify, and you can use categories to keep your Outlook account more organized and visually manageable. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.